Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a skirt, and the skirt works top down and you can make it any length from short to long. So let's get started. To crochet this easy skirt, I'm going to use Red Heart comfort yarn, and these are very big balls of yarn. Start with a slip knot. And work a foundation chain that wraps around the largest part of your hips. When you have your foundation the correct length, slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. And when I'm just trying not to twist the chain, I just slide it through my fingers, and you can feel the bump on this one side, and then this side is smooth. So it's very easy to go all the way down your chain and not twist it. And slip stitch to join. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's going to count as a double crochet and a chain 1. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. Chain 1. Skip, double crochet. Like that, and you're going to work all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, I've chained 1, and make sure that your chain is not twisted again. And you're going to find that first chain 3 and slip stitch to join in the second stitch of the chain 3. And that's the beginning of the waistband. For the next row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in the next double crochet. That chain 3 counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. Now you're going to chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet. You're going to repeat that all the way around. You're making a double crochet in the double crochet of the previous row. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last double crochet. I already chained 1, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the second stitch of that chain 3. And that will be the waistband of the skirt. For the next row, chain 2. In the next double crochet, work 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Like that, 3 double crochet, all in the same stitch. Work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. One double crochet. Work 3 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Work 1 double crochet in the next double crochet. You're going to repeat that across the row. 3 double crochet in the next double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next. 3, 1, all the way around. Okay, worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And there's what that looks like. For the next row, chain 2. There's the 3 double crochet. We're going to work in the center stitch of the 3 double crochet and work 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Like that. Work 1 double crochet in the next double crochet. Now this is for a straight skirt. If you wanted to have a full skirt, you could work 3 double crochet in every one of the stitches around. Go to the next 3 double crochet cluster and work 3 double crochet in that center stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Work 1 double crochet in the next double crochet. Like that. So you'll work a 3 double crochet cluster in the center of every 3 double crochet, and then you'll work 1 double crochet in the next double crochet. You're going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And that's what that looks like. So now you're just going to keep repeating this last row, over and over. And when you have the skirt the length that you would like, work 1 row of single crochet all the way across the bottom. You can do more than 1 row, but 1 row is enough to stabilize it so that the bottom won't stretch out. So just work 1 row of single crochet, and you can see that that stretches, and here where I've worked some single crochet, it won't stretch as much. So work 1 row of single crochet all the way around, and then slip stitch to join and fasten off like that. At the waistband, you could pass a ribbon through and tie it to fit, or you could pass some elastic through, or you could crochet a cord out of the yarn and pass that through. And that's how easy it is to crochet a skirt. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.